and edit. Welcome to Market Pros, where every day we upload morning analysis and every Saturday we interview your favorite YouTubers, top crypto professionals, and market experts. This is the morning analysis. All right, so starting with Bitcoin, or doing Bitcoin. As you can see, we got this little pump last night. Got rejected from this level on the VPVR at basically almost 42, 41,650 region. As you know, we have the FOMC meeting today, so I expect some sort of price action from there. Now, this is a reversal candle, so the probability is more to the downside here, but we could come down, make a higher low. Now, if we backfill this candle, I think we make a higher high than this high. All right. So your RSI is above the signal line. You are above the neutral median line. Let's see here. We did have bullish divergence, and that's what led this whole move. All right. Volatility's turning up. MACD. We are on the 8-hour, by the way. So fresh cross to the upside with that last with our last move up. But we are still below the zero line. But also our positive momentum is increasing. So if we can get back above the zero line and backfill this, I think we make a higher high than this last high. It's all on whether we backfill. So if the FOMC comes out and the news is better than expected, I would expect a backfill on this candle. Going down to the 4-hour. So yeah, so far it is trying to backfill, which is good. So it looks like we have some sort of another ascending triangle here. Let's go ahead and mark this out. Basically there. All right. So that is an ascending triangle. I go off the closures. I don't go off wicks. So I would count that as an ascending triangle. Now the invalidation point would be if we break back below this point of control on the 4-hour at 38,876, okay? Region, it's not exact. RSI is above the signal line. We did get a bounce off the signal line with this last pump. Yeah, so when we dropped down, got this last pump, we did get a bounce off that signal line. BBWP is in the lower zone. MACD. Ooh. Fresh cross of the zero line. That's a good sign on the 4-hour. That pump let us up above the zero line, but we need to get this signal line above this zero line as well in order to be, more bullish and actually bullish. Let's move down to the 1-hour. I'll have the summary at the end too, by the way. It's when I always do the summaries. Okay, so had this big pump, got rejected. Let's see where the VPVR is. So yeah, we did have a level of horizontal resistance right here, but actually it got almost to up. It almost got to up here, this other point of control of this upper area, but it got front ran. RSI trying to get back above the signal line and hold it. Looks like we could be making a W pattern, but we need to get back up to here. So let's see what that would be. We would need to get back above 63.1. Let's see. 63. Let's see what price that would be. We need to get back above basically 40,500 in order to validate that this is a W pattern on the RSI. MACD. Okay, so we are above the zero line. So we are short-term bullish. If we can cross this signal line, that's going to look even better. Our negative momentum did happen when we got that dump from the pump. Basically a backfill on the pump. Gave away the whole thing. I think this was what it was last night while I was sleeping actually. Um so yeah, now we got this first green bar. Looks like it's increasing. Let's see here. Yeah, so I mean, it looks like we're coming up to the top of the range as we're on the stream. Um we could be trying to backfill this, but we'll see. If we get rejected from the top of the range, honestly, I think, we come back down to this red level at 39,300. If we get rejected from the top of the range, if we break 39,300, next stop 38,700 region. But yeah, I mean, we'll see. I think we'll know around the FOMC meeting. We will know today. That is my analysis. We will know today. At least that's what I think. We might be trying to break the top of the range while we're on the stream. Let's see. I kind of want to wait for it. There we go. There we go. Live pumping. Ha. We need to close this though in the next 20 minutes. So I'm not going to be on here that long, but kind of want to see if it does start to do this. We'll see. This candle's going to decide kind of what happens. All right, so summary is obviously Bitcoin is short-term bullish as long as we close this 20 or we close this 1 hour candle in the next 20 minutes above this range. So either come up here, backfill, probably get some sort of rejection around this area, come back down, retest the top of the range, head back up, get some sort of rejection in this area. Something like this. If we break down and close below the range, I think it'd be something like this. And then we'll see what happens. Yeah, so I mean, we got 20 minutes. The Bears and the Bulls are fighting right now. We get rejected again. I think we come down to this line. I'd like to finish this. So yeah, I'll leave these up here and see how they play out. We'll see. I mean, we come down here and make a W pattern. Yeah, we'll see which one plays out. 20 minutes. Short-term bullish unless we don't close. If we can close above here, short-term bullish. And we'll see if that rolls over, following to the FOMC meeting. And, oh, by the way, volatility on the 1 hour is in the upper zone. RSI is above the signal line. Looks like it's trying to make a W pattern. I mean, right now it's more likely that we at least close towards the top of the range. If we can close towards the top of the range, that next candle could bring us out of it. MACD is above the zero line. We did get a fresh cross to the upside of the signal line. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. So those are my thoughts. Everyone have a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, and I will see you in the next one.